Have you ever had a problem where you turn on your PS2 and the power button doesn't come on? Like that? I'll show you how to fix it in this episode. Let's get at it.
Systems go.
So now, let's hopefully we got red light. No red light. Why no red light? Alright, so since we can't get no power back to the power reset button, I was reading online and found a little solution. Supposedly this is supposed to work. So if you go in here, and you see that it says PS1 right there. But right above it is a fuse. And on that fuse it says ED, okay? So that fuse right here, supposedly it's a fuse for the power on and off switch. So I was told to get a 4.4 amp 72 volt, or you could use a 400 milliamp 16 volt, or 400 milliamp 12 volt fuse, or inline resettable fuse, which I got right here. But right here. But where'd it go? Did it shoot off somewhere? I tell you. Oh, there it is. It looks like this. And you take it and you solder it on both sides of this fuse, here and here, because it's already burnt out, so you're not gonna hurt it. You can leave it in line and everything. I'll even show you that it's burnt out. Alright, take your tester, put it in continuity mode. Now if it beeps, then the fuse is good. If it don't beep, the fuse is bad. See? Nothing. So that fuse is it's bad. So let's go ahead and get that soldered on there and go from there. Okay. I also take and trim this down. I'd like to go right there, so that it okay. 3, 2, 1. Yes, it's glowing. Does it turn on? Yes. We're on. We have power again. We have power again.